If you forgot your passcode, or if a message says that your device is disabled, follow these steps to remove your passcode. If you've synced your device with iTunes, you can restore your device. This will erase the device and its passcode. Connect your device to the computer you synced with. Open iTunes. Wait for iTunes to sync your device and make a backup. After the sync and backup have finished, click Restore. When you reach the setup screen while restoring your iOS device, tap Restore from iTunes Backup. Select your device in iTunes. Look at the date and size of each backup and pick the most relevant one. If you've never synced with iTunes, you will need to use recovery mode to restore your device. Connect your iOS device to your computer and open iTunes. While your device is connected, force restart it. On an iPhone X, iPhone 8, or iPhone 8 Plus, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Then, press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. On an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold both the side and volume down buttons at the same time. Keep holding them until you see the recovery mode screen. On an iPhone 6 and earlier, iPad, or iPod Touch, press and hold both the home and the top or side buttons at the same time. Keep holding them until you see the recovery mode screen. When you see the option to restore or update, choose Restore. iTunes will download software for your device. If it takes more than 15 minutes, your device will exit recovery mode and you'll need to repeat steps 2 and 3. Wait for the process to finish. Then you can set up and use your device. Thank you for watching Fawziacademy. Please like, subscribe, share this video, and visit our website, Fawziacademy.com.